Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program which results in number format exception. Let me answer. In Java, you are going to get this number format exception when you are trying to convert a string literal into an integer number when that particular string literal cannot be converted. For example, the string literal is my name, let's say double quotes Arun is there, okay? Inside the double quotes Arun is there. Such kind of string literal text, if you want to convert into a number using some Java ways like integer dot value of string, etc. In that case, the string cannot be converted to a number and Java will simply give you an exception when you run the program. That exception is nothing but the number format exception. Otherwise, if that particular string literal, whatever that is there inside the double quotes of the string literal is in a numerical format, in that case, we can use integer dot value of and that can be converted into number without this exception. Only when you try to convert the string literal, which cannot be convertible into a number, okay, during that process of using integer dot, parseint or, okay, integer dot parseint of string, when you say, you're going to get this number format exception because that kind of strings having some text cannot be converted to a number. So let me practically demonstrate so that you can get the answer for this question in a better way. Further, I'll switch to the Eclipse ID and create a new class, some random name, guys. I'll just create a new class with a random name. I'll just name this as, let's say, class 9. Here, some random name class 9. And with main method, I'll click on finish. The moment I create that, so inside the main method, I'm going to write a code that is, I'm going to create a string literal, string str is equal to, in the string, I'll give Arun here. Okay. So now this string literal text cannot be converted to a number because how can a text can be converted to a number even though you use any predefined stuff from Java? Still, it won't be convertible. If I use integer dot parseint of string, okay. So instead of this text, guys, for example, I'll start with a number where I would like to show you the positive case. This is a string literal. This is not a number here. It is string literal surrounded by double quotes. This 9 is a string literal because it's surrounded by double quotes. If double quotes are not there, I can say that is a number, numerical literal. But here it is a string literal. Such kind of string literal which has some number inside that and can be converted from the string format into the integer format, etc. Okay, then that's okay, guys. Not only integer, if it is we have decimal here, we can use double dot parse double of something like that. In any of this process, not only integer dot parseint, double dot parse double, okay, in different boolean dot parse boolean, like that, many things will be there. If that string literal text can be converted to that appropriate type using the integer dot parseint or double dot parse double, etc. And if that is not possible to convert, then you are going to get the exception. But in this case, this string literal text is having the 9, which can be convertible to a number. There is a possibility. So put a semicolon here. Parseint will return you the integer data type. In the number is equal to. I'll just print out the number, guys. I'll also do some addition here so that you can understand that it has properly converted to number. So number plus 1, if I say, okay, what will happen? This string literal 9 will be converted to actual number 9 and 9 plus 1, 10 will be printed in the output. Right click here and say run as a Java application and you will see that 10 will be printed in the output. 10 will be printed in the output, okay? 10 will be printed in the output, fine, okay. So this is good, but what if I convert this number into a text and just run this program, right click run as a Java application, it won't be convertible and in the line 9 itself, you are going to get an exception that is number format exception, okay? You cannot convert some string text into a number. For input string Arun, it's not possible to convert a Arun into a number, which is not at all possible, guys. In such kind of situations, Java will give you an exception during the runtime while running the code or the program while the program is getting running. That is number format exception. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.